open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM.
Hey world, I'm your girl KT.
And I'm Keambra.
And today we'll be doing a golden turmeric mask and a facial scrub tutorial.
One of our favorite recipes. What makes our mask and scrub so golden is the turmeric, which contains curcumin.
Curcumin is an anti-inflammatory and bioactive compound,
which contains antibacterial from spreading.
And also it helps with skin conditions such as eczema outbreaks. And guess what?
The anti-inflammatory is so powerful that it helps lower the levels of most chronic diseases in the western areas,
such as cancer,
heart disease,
arthritis, and much more. Now let's get to the real reason why we're all here.
The beauty benefits.
A few of the beauty benefits are anti-aging.
It helps reduce dark marks,
help those ugly blemishes, and help prevent acne outbreaks.
And it also helps melanate the skin. The ingredients you will need in order to complete this mask and scrub are all here displayed on the table right here in front of us. And the first ingredients that we're going to talk about will be the mask. The things you will need for the mask will be the turmeric. You will also need the lime or lemon, whichever you prefer. And also you will need some yogurt. So we're going to do the Greek yogurt, the original non-dairy Greek yogurt. And you can also add a splash of olive oil if you like. That's optional.
Okay, and for the facial scrub, we have the brown sugar. We have the organic raw honey. And you can add, well, you do add olive oil as well. And that's it.
Okay, and we also have a face brush, and we also have sticks, wooden sticks for our utensils, so that we won't get our hands dirty or get any stains or turmeric stains on our fingers. We don't want to be walking around like we got yellow hands. You feel me? And we also have the witch hazel for a primer.
And a toner as well. And that is it.
That is all we have for our materials. So let's get into
the mix.
Yay!
Okay, I poured the yogurt inside this measuring cup, which is a half a cup in 118 milliliters. So I'm just going to pour it in here. Make sure I get all of it. Now I'm about to add 15 milliliters inside of the yogurt.
They don't care about no milliliters.
Well, you have to be specific. It's different sizes of teaspoons.
Right, and some people do, I guess,
yeah.
measure
so
out
I'm
different.
going to pour it in here.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love.
When applying this, you want to apply everything up. Don't rub down, just up. You can do a cross and up. To prevent sagging.
Ooh, it's cold.
Give me the stars like I thought I know you gotta go, baby. I ain't gotta talk about it, I already know. 'Cause every time you talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I thought I know you gotta go, baby. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. enter into nothing so easily. And now you ain't there, it's so clear to see. Like, why were you acting suspiciously? You said that you needed some room to breathe, and all I ever wanted was your honesty. I just don't know what to believe. Just don't lie to me. I can't feel your reason, 'cause everybody knows. Everybody knows. And I feel your body shaking in every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Talk about it, I already know. 'Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go back. We ain't gotta talk about it, I already know. 'Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't already know. You gotta go back. I can't feel your reason, 'cause everybody knows. Everybody knows. And everybody knows. And I feel your body shaking of every single time. That's just how it goes.
Hey, and that concludes our video.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes.